This one feels good still, y'all. Like, I'm combing through it, I'm brushing through it. It feels like a human hair wig. It really does. It feels really good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, I am talking about this Outre Airtied Human Hair Blend wig. I think she's gorgeous. I think she's absolutely gorgeous. She's so cute. Do you see the wig? Do you see the wig? This is the Human Hair Blend Soft Curls 18 inches wig. I do have creamy toffee. Guys, I do a lot of wig reviews on this channel. If you like that, stick around. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Let's jump in. Hey again, my beautiful friends. So this is the Outre Airtied Human Hair Blend 100% fully hand-tied lace mesh wig. And I have the color creamy toffee. Y'all see that hairline? It is looking really nice. This is actually one of my favorite blonde blends from Outre. So it's a 13x6 lace frontal. There are no wefts in here. As you see, it's really stretchy and it's airtight and it's really light. So the cap on this actually feels really good because it's just really light and stretchy. Y'all see my cap seeping through, so I like to push it back. I do like black caps for wigs like this because it doesn't show through that much. That hairline, I was checking it out. As nice as it was looking, I did have to go in and pluck it just a little bit. So these wigs I noticed are kind of a little funky, so I like to go in with my hot comb on 5 to 10 temperature setting. I'm not sure what that's equivalent to. Test it out first, y'all. Y'all don't want to burn these wigs, but with this human hair blend, you absolutely can, you know, get away with a little bit higher, but I like to comb back all the hair first. Recently, I've been really falling in love with like these wispy baby hairs. Do what you like for your wig in your life, okay? I'm just showing you how I achieve my final results. So I'm just brushing back the hair with the hot comb, and then I go in and tweeze. I do that so I can see the hairline and see what I'm working with. As you saw, I did use a little bit of water because it's a little easier for plucking out these wigs, and sometimes I just go in and I just be pulling out the hair because I'm just so used to doing it at this point. It is trial and error. I like to go in with like a couple layers behind the hairline as well, and sometimes I pull it out with my hand, but I'm pulling very few hairs at a time. Don't do that if you're not comfortable with it because you can get holes. And as you see, my hairline is coming together. If you need a full tutorial, I have one. I probably need to do an updated version, but I'll link it in the cards for you. And it's just coming together. It just makes the wig look a little bit more natural and realistic. You don't have to do this step if you're not comfortable, but I like to do this for my wigs, and then you don't have to do it again. So you can either use lace tint or you can use makeup. I like lace tint. It kind of matches my skin a little bit more. And recently, instead of razors, I've been using those scissors. They have like a jagged edge, so you don't have to like get a straight cut across. I'll link all this stuff down below under Wig Essentials if you need any of this stuff. And this blow dryer is actually my Dr. Knot blow dryer. I like it because I can use it for my natural hair and my wigs. So I'm just using lace adhesive. I really like this Janet collection one recently. I like so many, y'all. I think I need to do like an updated video of like my top 5 lace adhesives because there's just so many good ones. Y'all let me know if you want a video like that in the comments. So I'm just lining up my wig. I also do have a tutorial of how I install my synthetic wigs. I'll leave that in the cards as well. Like once you do this stuff over and over, it does get easier. I do find that kind of drying the adhesive and brushing the hair back, pulling the hairs down, you know, it's a process. It really is, but it's kind of therapeutic for me, like after I see the wig come together. But you know, I do have a slower step-by-step tutorial, and I just wasn't gonna show y'all all that because I do have a tutorial. I'm leaving it in the cards. So I put on my makeup and I'm letting the wig dry, and y'all see the melt. This is why I love this collection, this airtight collection. I was dancing, I was listening to music because I was feeling myself, y'all. Like this wig was looking so good. It was just looking so good. Y'all can't tell me this wig is not looking good. So I like this adhesive, like I said, because it doesn't leave a lot of residue, I noticed. And it's just really nice, you know? So I'm brushing the hair back and I'm breaking up that hairline with all that adhesive because we don't want stiff wigs, okay? Then I go in my rubbing alcohol to get that excess adhesive off the hair. As far as my hairline goes, recently I've been using my cellular water on my forehead if you have makeup on your forehead. And as far as the adhesive goes, I didn't tell y'all, use what you have, please. Like, please don't buy more stuff and be like me, a product junkie. Please use up what you have and then jump to the next one. That's kind of why you're seeing all these different lace adhesives, because I'm trying to use up what I have. So I'm getting my hairline together. Oh, this song was so good. I wish y'all could have heard it, but I think the volume was low. You don't have to do this step. I'm just doing this step of these just soft baby hairs. You know, I feel like it helps hide the lace a little bit, you know, but you don't have to do that. You could brush the hair back and just it's your wig, so let it come together for you. But it was coming together for me, okay? I've been seeing this frontal queen float around. I actually purchased it a long time ago, and I just didn't get into it. But I tried so many different melting sprays. This is the final touches, so I was just like, let me bust it out. Let me use it. Use what you have. Again, you're gonna see me use a lot of different melting sprays in my videos, but this is a good one if you're curious. Hair felt good, which I'll give you in my final thoughts, and I'm just wrapping it up with my synthetic wig sprays, all linked below. All right, my friends, so I'm finished with this wig, and she's so pretty. I really want her in a natural color. This wig is just so pretty. It's really pretty. I don't know what to say. So you can style this wig any way you like. As you guys see, I came back with like this flip over thing going on here. This is the Outre Airtied 100% hand tied wig. This is a human hair blend wig. Y'all know how I feel about human hair blend wigs. They are really nice, and this one feels like it's upgraded because I've been playing with this wig for a while and it still feels good. Sometimes these air tied wigs with Outre, like the ones I've tried in the past, they get really tangly, but this one feels good still, y'all. Like, I'm combing through it, I'm brushing through it. It feels like a human hair wig. It really does. It feels really good. I love the fact that I can part it. Like, there's no wefts in here. It feels really light. It feels really airy. I did review one in the past and I was like, I wanted to try this color, and I'm so happy I got this color. I'm debating if I want to sell it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet, y'all. But I might keep her or might sell it. I don't know. Y'all check the link below. I already gave you some specs. This is the Human Hair Blend Soft Curls, 18 inches. Yes, 18 inches. This is what she's looking like. It's a good length. You pull it down. That's what it is. The side. And in the back. It's a really good length. Vanish HD lace. The thing I love about this collection is that lace. The lace is super thin. Like, do you guys see that? Like, it looks so good. It looks very scalp-like and realistic. I did go in with my lace tinting spray. I feel like that makes a difference. Match the lace to your complexion. A lot of other pretty colors in here. I did have to pluck up a little bit of the hairline in the front, but that's just my personal preference because I felt like it was a little too boxy for me. Overall, I think this is a wig. I don't want to say it's beginner friendly. I feel like it's intermediate. If you were willing to work with these lace frontals, she's a good one, y'all. She's a good one. I did go with my Isha Lace Melting Spray. I do like this spray. I feel like it does give you a really good hold. Overall, I absolutely do recommend this wig. I think she's really pretty. I love the soft curls in here. It says soft curls, and they are soft curls. I like the layers in here. I just think she's a really pretty wig. You can style her, you can part her. There is parting space in here, but keep in mind the lace is going to be in the front. In the back here with the air tied part, it's just like, it's not parting space. Like, it's like where the tracks would normally be, but you can't part it. It's not lace. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. I think she's absolutely gorgeous and a must-have for your collection. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.